Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best kayak for lakes and rivers on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Intex Excursion Pro Kayak Series. I keep Intex Excursion Pro at the start because it is one of my favorite kayak models. You will find it strong and durable due to the premium PVC material with a polyester core. The core will protect the kayak from any kind of erosion, UV rays, or damage. How about the inflation? The inflation system is designed to take high pressure, which gives more stability than most kayaks, thanks to the spring-loaded valves for fast and easy inflation and deflation. Besides, the two adjustable skegs make this kayak a suitable choice for rivers or lakes since you can paddle in shallow and deep water. Other accessories of the kayak include 2 removable rod holders for fishing, 1 floor-mounted footrest, GoPro, a phone mount, and a mounting bracket to keep extra gear, the D-ring. Stainless steel enables you to tie bags and materials easily, leaving enough space in the bow and stern. This storage will be helpful to take useful gear when you go deep into the lake or river. Is it safe for you? The kayak also offers a paddle, air pump, inflatable seat elevator, and a bag for carrying, weighing only 16 pounds. This item is super lightweight. You can carry it around anywhere easily. Pros: durable and long-lasting. Great stability. Easy inflation and deflation. Lightweight and portable. Cons: not stable in rough water. Number 2, Sevylor QuickPak K1 one-person kayak. Sevylor QuickPak K1 is also a perfect kayak for paddling in rivers and lakes. 21-gauge PVC with polyester cover will give enough protection while going deep into the lake. The bottom consists of tarpaulin that protects the kayak from any scratch or puncture. You can comfortably cross any shallow area with a rocky surface. Is the seat comfortable? You can easily carry the backpack on board. The most striking feature is the backpack can turn into a comfortable seat. You can lean back as much you want with the adjustable backrest with a comfortable seat and enjoy. The footrest is also removable and allows you to set it at any suitable position as per requirement. I found some of the features very advantageous compared to many other kayaks. It contains several air chambers. You need not have to worry if one chamber is punctured, others will remain inflated and work fine. Also, the dual lock valves will ensure you can inflate/deflate easily using separate locking points. How about the storage? There is enough storage space inside the kayak. The whole setup will take only 5 minutes, making it very convenient for all types of journeys. It weighs around 20 pounds and is easy to carry anywhere. Pros: strong and durable. Multiple air chambers. Adjustable backrest. Lightweight. Cons: the paddle is a bit flimsy. Number 3, Advanced Elements Convertible Inflatable Kayak. Another favorite kayak for lake and river paddling, which not only me but many kayakers rated highly. I found the body of the kayak super strong and durable. It consists of 3 different layers of nylon and plastic. They made the kayak extremely sturdy and protected from any puncture or scratch. What is its seat capacity? The bow and stern are aluminum products of high quality with a comfortable tracking mechanism. What is more attractive is the sitting arrangement. The seats are covered with soft foam and pads, making them very comfortable. You can paddle sitting on them for hours and adjust them as per your convenience. Thus, this model is perfect for lakes and river kayaking. Unlike the previous 2 models, it has 2 seat capacity. You can also remove one and go solo if you want, since the seats are removable. By attaching the additional double deck, you can make it a tandem kayak within a moment. The D-rings of the double deck with a mesh pocket will provide enough storage space for other necessary gear. Is my weight perfect for the kayak? The kayak can carry a maximum weight of 550 pounds, making it suitable for kayaking in tandem. Pros: multiple nylon and plastic layer. Aluminum bow and stern. Easy tracking. Comfortable seats. Cons: a bit heavy to carry. Number 4, Pelican Sit-on-Top One-Person Kayak. Pelican Sit-on-Top Kayak is another popular kayak model for paddlers. Polyethylene material of high density makes the kayak strong and durable enough to serve long. I found the seating arrangement extremely comfortable with soft pads and a thick cushion with a backrest. Among all the kayaks I tried, it is certainly the most comfortable. Do I get enough space here? The kayak provides additional space for keeping gear on the front platform by having bungee cords. You can remove the storage box and pack all the necessary things for a long adventure. It also offers footrests, a holder to keep a water bottle, and paddle tie-downs to ensure your hands are free in time of emergency. Will I be satisfied to have them? My experience using the kayak was very satisfactory. You can get in and out of the kayak without any hustle. It also contains a scupper hole below for draining excess water, making you safe from any possibility of drowning. Weighing 42 pounds, carrying the kayak will not be that much difficult. You could easily carry 275 pounds on it. After all, it is a perfect choice if you are looking for something with high storage and stability. Pros: durable material, comfortable seats, additional space. Cons: narrow foot braces. Number 5, Foldable Kayak for adults and youth. I could not finish the list without mentioning this model, last of the list, but extremely popular for fun kayaking in lakes, rivers, or oceans. Sitting and getting out of the kayak is super easy, and you will have a blast riding this one for any outdoor fishing adventure or paddling. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, it will work fine in any condition. How about its design? Another advantage of the kayak is its compact design while remaining folded. In contrast, it becomes mighty when you unfold and work fine. The pieces are set in such a way you can easily put them together and give the kayak its original shape. It will require only 5 minutes to construct the whole item. The compact design enables you to keep it anywhere while carrying. Besides, it only weighs 25 pounds and transportation becomes super easy. Compared to the weight of the kayak, its carrying capacity is astonishing with a highest of 300 pounds. That means you can take any necessary extra gear with you. How is the product overall? Overall, this kayak is the perfect example of a durable, sleek, and comfortable kayak available out there. Pros: easy getting in and out, compact while remains folded, comfortable seat. Cons: expensive.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.